Hello, today I'm going to show you how to do these double French braids. Let's get started. Okay, so you're going to start by parting your hair from front to back. And then you can section off one side so that way you can work on one side at a time. So now you're going to get started on your first section. You're going to grab a triangular section, divide that into 3 pieces. And those 3 strands, now you're going to cross them over each other. So you're going to bring that first side over the middle, and then that other side over the middle, and you're going to repeat that 3 times for the first section. But now, as soon as you've done that 3 times, you're going to add in hair. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab a small section of hair, add it to that first strand, combine it, and then you're going to bring it over the middle strand. And then you're going to repeat that, add in hair to that strand, bring that over the middle. And then you're going to keep going, doing that same pattern, add in hair to the strand, bring it over the middle, and then grab onto that side, add in hair, and bring it over the middle. And you're going to repeat this going all the way down the braid. Now I like to use a mirror to make sure everything looks neat and tidy and nothing's out of place, but I do not like to use a mirror or recommend using a mirror in order to really see how the braid pattern is going, because everything looks backwards when you look into the mirror, so this will make it a little confusing. So instead of doing that, I would recommend just learning the pattern by the way it feels, and just those 3 strands and adding in hair and just repeating that. That way you memorize the way it feels and you know how to do it with ease. Get started on your second section. You're going to do the same thing as in the other side. You're going to grab a triangular section from the front, split it into 3 strands, and then you're going to cross them over each other 3 times. And then once you've done that, you're going to get started incorporating hair into each strand. So you're going to grab hair into that strand, combine it, and then cross it over the middle strand. And then you're gonna add in hair to the other side. So the hair you've added in to the strand, and then you're gonna cross it over the middle. And then you're gonna repeat that going down the hair. I want to take this moment to thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a future tutorial. There will be a new video posted every Sunday at 10 a.m. At this point, I like to carefully pull the braid apart to give it a more voluminous look. I hope you enjoy giving this hairstyle a try, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!